So today is going to be part one of a toy car that I'm going to do for you guys. I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually design something like this. And yeah, how much fun it is. So please stick around. This will be part one, and then in part two, we'll actually finish it up. But I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. Okay, so we're going to start as per usual, the sketch view. Okay, we are going to center line. Okay, I'm going to start with the line here. Symmetrical. This is going to be 160. Okay, then we're going to go up here. That's going to be 8 millimeters. Well, let's just do this. Okay. Next one we're going to do is going to go something like this. I'll shift that down now. Go this way. Then we're going to go this way, and down. Okay, now I just need to check from there. About one of these. Okay, so the distance from here to here is going to be 28. Okay, the distance from this one to this one is going to be about 22, 23. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to delete that one. Select, delete. Okay, now 23. Let's just do this. Okay, delete 23. Okay, now then from there to there, so it's about 30. So from here to here, yeah, it's going to be about 30. No, sorry, from here to here, it's going to be about 30. So let's put in another center line there. That one we can delete as well. So from there to there, it's going to be about 30. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to take our arc, go from there to there, and again take our arc from there. Oh, okay, I guess not there. That straight line. See, that's going to be about, just want to check that 20, no, it's about 15. So let's see if this will change. 15. Okay, now the height here is going to be about 25. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, that's about right. So that's fine like that. Uh, okay, but then now from yeah to yeah, also going to change because that's only supposed to be 10. That's half of that. There we go. That's more like it. Okay, so that is more or less the shape that we're looking for. Um, more or less. We'll obviously add more detail as we go. So we're going to take that. The width is going to be about 73. So all we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, we are going to extrude this. Okay, symmetrical. We're going to say 73, yeah, 73. And we're going to say, okay, now, okay, first thing I think we should do would be, let's do a sketch here, sketch, sketch orientate. Okay, I need a reference line, which is that line there, and this line here. So, okay, close. I need to do blocks like this. Okay, those are going to be 16, and they're going to be, let's see how deep these are. These are about 8 more deep. We're going to make this here 8 millimeter. So, okay, we are going to extrude for the direction, remove material. We are going to go, let's see, 20 in. Okay, you can say okay there. Okay, we can actually leave that like that for now. Then I think the next thing we can do is we can remove some material at the back here. So what we can do is we can add some planes. So you've got your planes here. We're gonna add a plane here. From there, we're gonna drag this. It's gonna be about 16. Okay, 16. Then we're gonna say okay. Then we're gonna have another one about 8. 8. And we say okay. So now need another one there. This one is 16, as we said. So okay. Okay, now we need to do a sketch. Okay, so from this one, we get sketch, sketch view, add some references here. Okay, we are going to do a line from there upwards and down like this. Okay, we're going to say there. The depth on that bad boy is going to be 5. So that's quite close. Then the length here, about 16. Okay. We're going to say we're happy. We're going to say extrude, remove material. Okay. So happiness. We are going to mirror that now. Mirror. That one there. So, okay. Now we're going to do a sketch on this plane, yeah. Okay. Also, we're going to add some references. Those. Okay. Now this one is going to run the other way. So it's only going to be about 3 mil in the front. So I just want to check. Okay, so it's going to be about 3 mil from there. Is that right? I see. 2 actually. So we're going to add another reference here. Okay. So we're going to add a center line here. Okay. Needs to be from there to there. 7. Okay. Then we need to go from there to there. And down there. And down there. And down there. Okay. Now we're going to extrude. And we're going to extrude to reference. It's going to be that reference there. Remove material. And say, okay. Okay, now again, we're going to mirror that. Mirror. So, okay. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we're going to say back to our shaded. Okay, we're going to say sketch. Sketch in the back here. Say sketch. Sketch view. Okay. We are going to do a reference here as the center. And we're going to do a reference. Say 3.5 millimeters from the bottom here. So we're going to add a reference there. Click close. Going to add a reference here. 3.5. Okay. Add a circle here. Okay. We're going to add another circle. We're going to add another circle there. Circle there. Okay, like that. Points. Outside size here is going to be 15. So we're going to go from here. Well, we need to put these sizes in first, actually. So the center size there is going to be radius of 1.5. Okay, and the outside diameter of 5. Okay, this is going to be 5. It's going to be 5. Okay, then we're also going to have a block like this, or less. Okay, and do 16 here. We're going to do 5.1, because clearly there's a bit of a problem there. 5.1. Okay, I'm going to do that. Okay, that looks about right. I'm going to say okay. We're going to remove material. We're going to go the other way. That should be fine. Okay, like that. Hold on, there's a problem here. That's why. This hole needs to be bigger. It's 3, not diameter, but radius. Oh, yeah. Radius is 1.5. Okay. That's that. Okay, now what we can do is we're gonna go 5 more up from there. So we're gonna do another sketch, 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 sketch view. We're gonna use this as a reference. Reference here. Those center line, just easier. Another center line. Okay. You're gonna do 5 more there. Then we're gonna do from the side, yeah. It's only be about 1 more from the side. This. 1 more from that side. Okay, then we're gonna do a square, yeah. Alright, that square is gonna be about 9 more. 9. Say okay. Gonna go in there. We're gonna go in about, say, 3 more. I'm gonna say okay. Okay, that's that section now. Now, what I want to do is I want to sketch on there. Sketch, sketch view, references, that. Okay, there. Let's just see, yeah, that's fine. So close view. We're gonna do a circle. Just do a center line, yeah, as well. No, the center line, yeah. Okay, we're gonna do a circle. Oh, here's slightly smaller. That. 15, 14. Okay. You're gonna extrude those. So okay. Extrude. Shaded. To reference. And say okay. Then we're gonna mirror those again. Keep it all symmetrical. Okay. That's that. Then next step, I think what we should do is at the top here. So we're gonna sketch. We're gonna use that as our reference. That one there. This one here. That one there, I think. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so what we're gonna do is from here, I'm gonna draw a line. This line's actually gonna start about 1 mil, 8 mil actually. So I'm gonna go like this. Okay, but what we're gonna do is this is gonna be 8, and that line there is gonna be 15. So it's basically right. Then we're gonna take this way, and actually no, we're gonna go for that as well. So actually I'm gonna go straight forward here. all the way there, and do that. And say okay, and say we're happy. We're gonna extrude, and remove material. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go to reference, and I'm gonna say okay. Now, with that in mind, we are gonna have to change our sketch slightly. Okay, but anyway, we'll change that later. So we're gonna also mirror that one now. Okay, that's that one there. So okay. Now from here, let's just check something here. Analysis, measure from here to that point there. 4 moles, 4.11. Okay, so if we go back to our sketch now, we go sketch view. That needs to be 0. Okay. Yeah, there, now it looks right. That looks a lot better. Okay. Now, again, we are going to do another sketch here. So we're going to go model, sketch, top of this surface here, sketch, sketch view. I'm going to need a center line again. And that's going to be from there to there. It's going to be 50. Okay, and then it's going to be about 3 mil in the front there. But from there, 40, so 48. So 48. So we're going to do a center line here. And say from there to there, 48. Oh, there we go. Basically right. Okay, and we're going to reference this one here. And we're going to go center line from there. 3 more. Okay. So now line from there to there, to there, to there, to there. And then your depth there is going to be 16. So we're going to say, okay, we're going to go down 16. Going to remove material. Okay, I'm going to say, okay, again, mirror, extrude, mirror. Say, okay, happiness. Okay, now the other thing we need to do before we start doing anything fancy, the other thing I need to do is I need to add some holes here. Sketch view. From there, we're going to go about 8 mil in. So we're going to add a reference here. Add a reference there. We are going to have a center line here, which is going to be 8 mil. 8. Okay. Then from the top, it's only going to be 3 mil. So we have another one there. 3 mil. We're going to go this way. We're also going to go this way. Just need to see that size there is going to be 7, 7, and this is going to be 23. Okay, We're gonna go from there to there. Say okay. Gonna go in. So say okay. Gonna extrude again, opposite direction. Gonna make that say 5. Say okay. We are going to just change this to this one. We are going to say again, mirror. Okay. Now what we need is our side cutter. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go, it's 30 on top. So I'm gonna sketch on, say, the surface. That'll work. It's fine. Sketch, sketch reference, top there, center. So there, on that one. So okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line here, symmetrical. Okay. And make this 30, 15. We're gonna draw a line this way now to there, up, up, that. We are going to say extrude. We are going to cut this right through. Remove material. So, okay. And now we need, I need a reference. Actually, I need to change that. So we're going to go extrude to reference, and that's your reference. Okay. That's going to be your reference. And say, okay. So now we need to carry that angle, but we need to go narrower in the back. So, okay, well, that's that part. Now we need to go, we need to put a point. So we're going to put a point. Where's my points now? We're going to put a point on there, but we need a distance. So from our center line, no, from our center, that one, yeah. We're going to go this way. We're going to go, let's see how far is that from the center there. That's going to be 35. So what's that? 17.5. Okay. So now we need to make a choice here because we need to run from there, or there, and there. That's going to be 0. That's going to be 0. Okay. And then I'm going to put another point. Yeah. So, okay. Now I need a datum plane. So, okay. Now I need a datum plane that references all 3 of those points. So it's going to be that one, control, that one, control, that one. So, okay. Yeah, that'll work. Now I'm going to say sketch, sketch view. We're going to draw, we're just going to connect the 3. Go there, there, there. So, okay. So extrude that, remove material. Now that there. Yeah, that's okay. Can work with that. So, okay. Yeah, that's fine. We can say okay with that. So now, again, mirror that feature, mirror this axis here. Okay. Now, you need to just cut that away. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say sketch on there. Say sketch, sketch reference. We're going to do just this. Just like that. Go remove material, symmetrical, move. Say okay. We're going to go that one. We're going to go again. We're going to go mirror. We're going to select our plane. Say mirror. Say okay. Remove our planes. Okay, now we're almost there. The only thing we need to remove still is this bad boy. Yeah. So what are we going to do? We're going to put in a plane. I'm going to put in a plane referencing that one, and this one. No, sorry, 90 with this one. So we're going to go this surface here. That one we're going to remove. We're going to go there. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's what I want. So, okay. We're going to go sketch view. We're going to go sketch first. Sketch view. Okay. We're going to say from here, there, there. Say okay. We're going to say no, that's wrong. So this is going to go away, yeah. We're going to go further up, yeah. To there, and then to there, and then to there. Say okay, okay. Extrude, opposite direction. Okay. Solid. Move material. Other way, move material. Okay. I'm going to say again, mirror. Mirror. Say okay. And that's more or less somewhere. Okay. Now, from here, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to cut some wheels here. I'm going to say sketch, sketch. Okay, now from the front to the center there is about 39. 39. So we're going to use this as a reference. I'm going to say center line, yeah. So from there, 39. Okay, but now from the bottom, we're going to go from here to there. We're going to go. Okay, now let's just see if we go 11. Yeah, so actually it's bigger because, okay, okay, let's see here, about 12. Okay, that one's right there, and then the other one is going to be around from the back here. It's going to be about 32. So we're going to go from here to there, 32. Okay, happiness. We're going to extrude this opposite direction. material, go 15, say okay. Okay, now need again to mirror this. So we're gonna select, mirror, we're gonna select there, select OK, move our frames, sketch, 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 sketch view, references, this one, close, center line, that, this, 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 this. Okay, we're going to draw from there, 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 same thing now. There, there. Okay, so okay, we're happy. So extrude. Okay, we're gonna say flip it to reference. That's the reference. Remove material. Say okay. Okay, so now becomes the fun part, or starts the fun part, if we can put it that way. Now we're just gonna say rounds. So we're gonna go round here, and then it's gonna be a nice way to show you guys the 2D, the D1 and D2. So this one's gonna go all the way over here. And this one is gonna go that way, which is gonna be 5. It's gonna be about 5. Yeah, a little bit. Let's go about 8. Just for the look. Okay, now that again, we need to just edit definition, control, that side. Say okay, that's that one. Then, yeah, we can actually add a whole bunch of those. So we can say round, we can click here, there, 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 and there. And say okay. And yeah, I did select there and actually there. Okay. Okay, like that. Now we can also add some rounds here. Yeah, like that. And this side. And we can actually go right through here. Actually no, these we're gonna have to change. So we're gonna go new set. That one there. That one there, but it's smaller. Even smaller. Oh, that. So like that's cool. Okay. Then on the inside there, we can also put some rounds. No, not that big. Sure. No, man. One. Like there. Like there. Like there. There. So, okay. That one. Again, also select. Just select this side. Control. 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 Say okay. Okay, then Same scenario, yeah. We can just add small rounds here. There, there. Make that 0.5, just like that. And then we can add new set here. We just add around there. Got a 1. So we're happy with that. These edges, yeah, we can also add some rounds around there. That. Okay. So, okay. That. So there's a few odds and sods. Okay. So I'm gonna stop here today. I'll continue in the next video. So we'll call this part one. And yeah, stick around to see what it's gonna look like when it's finished, guys. Thanks very much. Hey guys, quick favor. If this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one, guys.